Morning, David. To save myself a lot of hassle, I thought I would just make one slit. So I've just put, they are actually on separate cores, but yeah, that's your slit edge. So obviously I haven't quite set up this core right, but it's holding on and it should do alright. So these are the settings that I've used. I'm going to stop it at 1,000 meters just so you can see that it will get nice and tight. Probably put the layers and rollers. Oh, and I've cocked it up. It is unbelievably hanging on. But there we go. I suppose we're testing whether the roll will collapse at a bigger diameter, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll just go around the machine and show you what's happening. It seems to be running quite nicely. Should roll at the unwind side. As I say, it's not really meant to pull such a small roll through, but it seems to be doing okay. I wouldn't really want to go much smaller than this. So that's where I put the lay-ons. This is where we're at, 200 meters a minute. Have better test of the slit edge here. I'll make more when it's a bigger diameter. So this is the roll. This is the one the slit was both edges, but obviously as you saw at the start, put the lay-ons and made that cock up. We can see there where I sped the machine right up to 300. Messed around with tension settings, all the sort of things that I shouldn't really be doing for a test video, but there you go. The important bit is that this roll's very solid. You know, it's not trying to telescope. It's not. It's very hard. So I'll show you the other rolls as well that are still on the machine. Unfortunately, the unwind diameter sensor tripped. So we have got a nicer edge on here because the material's wider on these. It's not quite as unpleasantly messed up, probably because of the lay-on as well, pushing on one core above instead of evenly across two. You can imagine that that's not actually the center of the machine, so when the lay-on came down, it didn't come down square, it probably came down like that, or like that, probably more like that way since it all telescoped this way. But yes, it will do this material. I don't see a problem with 50mm. 25mm should be fine too. The smallest we've ever slit was about 19mm, and that was at a 40mm core diameter on a 1980s machine, so for sure this one will do it. Let me know what you want to do next.